Greetings traders. Today is 29th of January 2021. Live today trading for Dow Jones market and also mini S&P futures 500. So at this moment, after all, this video has been delayed for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes for the live stream, just to prevent the direct signal from this live streaming. So if you're interested to get the signal, just click the link, any link in the description or in the a comment below, and you will be directed to this private channel, which is something like this. So yep, this is where we are going to go for buy call signal, just waiting for the confirmation. All right, so at this moment we have a good profit from the Dow Jones. Okay, here comes the possibility for entry, so we'll wait. So Dow Jones just now we just earned 293 US dollar. If you can see over here, this is the ampfuture live account, broker ampfutures, and 293. I'm trading just now. Have a good return. So we explain about this later on. At this moment, we are about to have a good signal to go long on this position. So perhaps market might. Yeah. Okay, the high just now is at 66. Current price now 65. So I will enter the order to go long for the mini S&P futures 500. All right, so all the channel of my signal, I'm sending the long position. Okay, so that's it. All right, so here we go. This is the target to go long for this order, and we are expected for the market to go even higher with this buy call signal. So there's a first short sell signal earlier, but this signal didn't approve much, haven't been filled. So I also didn't send out the signal because it's more likely that the market will go reverse. So I was right, but I didn't go for the bullish movement on the stop loss level. But for now, just need to wait for this buy signal to break through. I'm entering at around 67.25, so supposed to be early entry of 66.75. All right, never mind. So just wait at this level, should be a good one while waiting for the market to boost further high. All right, so where's okay, while waiting for the, hope you guys can see, I will change into bar chart so can be easily seen, hopefully. Yeah, but the signal is not there. Better with icon, just enlarge it. So to enlarge it, we can see it. I'm not sure how can people see me live. I'm supposed to delay the sharing for, or maybe for YouTube. I haven't delayed for YouTube, but for Facebook I've delayed for 10 minutes. So yeah, maybe lucky you, you able to see the live signal. All right, live stream for YouTube viewer, but for Facebook viewer you will see it in 10 minutes delay. Okay, while waiting, so let me explain about my entry on Dow Jones just now. So I did enter with a micro account. So we'll go for the summary. Let's go for the purchase and sales first. So this is the trade I took during the US session. The first, sorry, the first signal appeared for the short sell position scalping at the beginning of US session. So just keep in mind the difference in color over here indicate that this is the interval of the gray one with the US session. So the first signal is to go short at this level, but I wasn't in because of the market seems quite brutal normally during the beginning of US session. So I just wait for the second signal. So did miss this one, but never mind. And then we did have a buy call signal at this level, so I did enter and managed to exit just nice at this peak of the trade. So let's take a look. Yep, 293. Okay, a bit slow. Also for crude oil, we haven't received. We just received short sell signal, but not yet fill, because I sent out after the delay, and then have not been filled. The lowest is at this 83. Yep, this one 50 to 83, but my signal is 50 to 82. Although this already looks like it's already been filled, but I sent the signal after this candle, so should be a safe one. So this is from my live crude oil, which is to go short. So far it have not yet been filled. 50 to 82. We are waiting for 22 ticks of a profit target. And for so this is where I did enter. Okay, now we can see. Okay, the purchase just now is 293 US dollar in profit. So let's take a look on. Okay, a bit slow because I'm streaming and trading. I'm using trading view and as well CQG, so a bit difficult for my laptop to capture and my stream internet capacity to capture everything. All right, so this is where we did enter the market. So same situation. I'm entering my position to go for the buy position. And then exit my position at this yellow triangle. So it was a good trade, and with this we have received a profit of 293 in a quick scalp. So first I enter the market with 6 position, then add in another 2 more position. So it was a good trade. So it is similar to this level. Then I just exit at around 57 if I'm not mistaken just now, and this provide our good return for today of from this 293, and we have received about 18% of return from our small account. So by the way, this account has been started by using 479 capital in equity. So I have grown the capital almost 400%, so which is a fourfold quarter. I have multiplied this account with the 4 times from by using the money management fixed ratio money management. So if you're interested to consult a bit about this money management, so you can contact me. So this is free, of course. Just a view of how I always expand, how I always increase my capital from small account to the big account. Okay, so almost 3 weeks we done this 400%. Okay, let's take a look on our chart again. So we are done for Dow Jones today because I meet the target. I have a good return 200 plus, and as well I have okay, one moment, we have to wait for this confirmation on mini S&P futures 500, which is to go short. Looks like we can enter 1 point lower. No, I have to revise it. So still bullish for the Dow Jones, but at this moment under scalping time frame 1 minute we have a short sell signal. But I'm done for the trade, so I will not trade for today. Okay, it was a good return, and Yep, that's it for the Dow Jones. Now we are focusing on mini S&P futures 500 and crude oil. So hopefully there will be another signal for crude oil to go for the long position, but for now seems like the market have gone for sideways. Let's take a look. Okay, the buy signal is there. It's not yet triggered, and we have a peak before the pre-US session. So just remind back, the black area is the one before US session. The gray is a US session area. So my signal indicator, which is I'm using the indicator 2.0 to go long at this level of 37.6725. I might revise it to go for earlier at around 66.50. So we just need to wait for this order to be triggered. Let me, maybe I can draw something over here. So this is the level we want to go for the long position. Yeah. Then this is about the target we expected for it. Once it's break through this buy stop limit order at this 37.67.25. So live from my live telegram channel. So I haven't sent anything because I haven't filled yet. As well for the crude oil, just send the signal, but order is not yet filled. So for S&P as well, so just need to wait on the higher side for mini S&P futures 500. Hopefully will bring a good trade, because yesterday we have a good profit for 33 ticks. That's the highest, and also the TP1 is plus 17 ticks. Okay, just that was a great move yesterday. So just hope today we'll maintain the same discipline. But today is Friday. Sometimes market is a bit not really that strong, or a bit fuck up, and might have a loss on the Friday phenomenon. Okay, guys. We just need to wait for now. Order has been sent. Sorry, signal has been sent. By the way, there's a link below inscription if you're interested to join my private channel for the signal. So we have to wait and wait and wait. It's a bit boring because this is how the trade been done during US session. But for Dow Jones, yeah, if scalping 1 minute, then it should be okay. Yeah, for example now, 2270, 40 points of price movement, which is around 200 US dollar if trading the Dow, the normal mini Dow, so easily to get 200 US dollar. But the risk is more because you are trading the mini. 1 point is equal to $5, and with 40 you might earn around 1200 200 US dollar within a minute. Yep, it was a quick trade. But you must be very quick to exit the market. If not, the price reverse back, something like this might go reverse fully to the upward movement. But there's a chance. But for me right now, for the Dow Jones, if you're focused on my right hand side screen, or my right hand table charting, so there's if we are expected for the bullish movement, even though now we have the bearish movement touching the VWAP, and there's a potential for the market to go for the bearish movement, but better to wait for the indicator to come first and then enter the market. So this is quite more secure. More secure. It's still a risk, but it's, yeah, something like we have to indicate ourselves to go into the market. So for Dow Jones, we are waiting for the buy signal confirmation, but I will not trade because I have enough. I made my target and I have a good return. So for mini S&P, still waiting for the market to break through, then remove, going for the upward movement. It's a bit slow process, but the signal has been sent and just need to wait. Nothing to worry. You just need to place all order, and also under one OCO order, one cancel another for the stop loss, and also the profit target or using the bracket order also, which is quite good. So there's no order pending. My position is no pending. So for Dow Jones, this is yeah, yeah. Yes, nice. The price touch this pivot line. So lately, I'm trading using a trading view, which is quite good. I'm quite familiar now to enter the market, but seems like a bit heavy for my laptop to run CQG, trading view, and others chatting, and also streaming at the same time. So it's quite a bit difficult. Oh, okay. Now we have a possible entry. Okay, now we enter. We enter. The order has been filled. Just to text you note, for crude oil, I'm only sending the signal, but I don't do live trade because my capital is far too low, and I prefer to trade more on the indexes, which is yeah, a good return for me, cheap, and a quick scalping will be benefit me most. So now we are expected for this crude oil to go further down, and target is at 52.60, which is about 20 points, sorry, 20 ticks below, or 20, yep, 20 ticks, or about $200 in profit for the my for one contract size position. So everything has been set for ES, but for crude oil we have to wait. So I'm using different indicator for crude oil. I'm using my first version of indicator for crude oil, and also trading the US session as well. So this is the beginning of US session. There's no gray color over here. Okay, hope the price can break through fast for crude oil. And let me change into the bar chart if you can, so you guys can see it better. Okay, that's how it is. So we have a short sell position just nice at 52.82. So order been filled somewhere here, and the target is 52.60. So let's hope things will get better. Stop loss have been placed at around 13 ticks higher, which is we are risking around 130 US dollar for gain possible profit of 200 US dollar. So it was a good RNR ratio, which is, yeah, it's quite good. Okay, so now we just need to wait for the crude oil to hit the TP if the market prevail as in what I indicate in my signal. Okay, so for, okay, it's quite interesting. And also let's go back to the mini S&P futures 500. Yeah, now the price try to reverse back, and also we are waiting confirmation for the Dow Jones to go for the long under scalping 1 minute time frame. If you are watching me live, there could be a delay. I'm not sure, maybe a few seconds or few minutes, especially in YouTube. But for Facebook, delay 10 minutes. So just keep in mind that please check your current trading price if you are following me, because I'm planning to do all delay. Because if you're interested, you can go to my private channel. But for today, unfortunately for YouTube viewer, you may see this as a live, maybe a few seconds delay. Okay, that's a big one. Maybe the next one will be a good buy signal will be appeared. So let's wait. Okay, so for S&P, could be a changes that in direction. Hopefully it's not. A bit hungry at this moment. So my local time now is almost midnight, and New York time is almost 11 a.m. in the morning. So it's a good about ampfutures because with one single payment or monthly username, I can trade it within trading view and also the CQG. So which is yeah, quite interesting. But the interface for the account is not really that nice. But I prefer to have a security, but lately execution on the trading will be much easier because I'm using my own indicator. So whatever I seen, I just can enter into the market, and which is much more faster compared to switch to the different platform. So I don't have a delay. Okay, looks like the Dow may not have a bullish movement. It depends. Yeah, I just missed this. This is the first signal appear to short the market at the beginning of US session, just about I think 2 minutes. Sorry, 1 minute after the market begin the bell. Whoa, whoa, whoa! We have a short sell signal in mini S&P futures 500. This is didn't expect that. Let's hope there's no sell signal. If there is a sell signal for S&P 500, then okay. Crude oil, let's see. Okay, crude oil, we almost hit the profit target level, or you can exit the position. Should be good enough. No need to be greedy, but still, there's a chance for this trade to reverse back. But a good profit now is a good profit, and so if I'm in the trading, I will exit the position. Okay, there's still far away from S&P, and hope there's no set signal for S&P 500. So at least we are less confused. If there's a two signal between back to back from one to the another, then a bit difficult to make a decision actually. Okay, there's a possible for buy long later on. So we wait for Dow Jones as well. Okay, there's a pullback for crude oil. As I mentioned, a good profit is a good profit. If you are exiting just now, you have earned around what 18 ticks or 180 US dollar in profit for one contract size. Now it seems like the market a bit reverse. So it depends on you. I just advise where to put the TP. So you can TP at a 60 or yeah, this is the best 82 to the lowest just now is 64. Yeah, 18 ticks. So which is a good enough compared to now. The price almost back to the break even, but you can have more patience. Okay, as I mentioned, a pullback, but hopefully you guys can able to exit at this level. Okay, there's a green candle can be seen for S&P futures 500. So the stop limit order is at this green line. We just need to wait when it will through. Okay, looks good for S&P. The green candle of this icon is quite strong. I'm not trading using icon, but I always using icon to filter out because less noise and you can see the pattern quite easier and yeah, compared to the normal candle. But for the Dow Jones, when I scalping 1 minute time frame, I will use normal candle just to prevent any delay, so I can go into the market exactly as early as possible. So for example, let's change it into the icon so you can see the difference. Focus on this right screen or the right chart. So there's a bit delay, or this one is earlier, this one is exactly on the move. Okay, I think both market is on the move for a long position, so just waiting for the confirmation. For S&P future 500, we are waiting here, so later on it will be filled and we just need to fly. And for crude oil, there's a okay, looks like try to make a sideways move, maybe a small triangle here or a small wedges, but don't trade the wedges. I just yeah, it's a bit possibility, but yeah, who knows, could be opportunity as well. Okay, the target TP is at 5260, which is 22 ticks below, or 220 US dollar for one contract size. Okay, almost hit the TP. So now just need to wait for S&P as well. Wait for Dow Jones on the right hand side. Also wait for the confirmation. Okay, we almost hit. We did hit. Okay, one more ticks. Oh, just exit only. It's plus 21 ticks. So no need to be that greedy to wait. So yeah, if you're trading with me alongside my live Telegram channel, you can see how it works, and just wait. It- just have a good profit of 21 ticks just now. Should be an easy one. No need to be that greedy. Sometimes you have to manage the signal well, because you can profit most of everything. Most of every trade, most likely. Okay, we hit the stop. Sorry, we hit the profit target of 5260. So hit the TP. Oh yeah. So it was a good Friday today. Profit profit of plus 22 ticks. It was a good trade. Okay, that's it. That's it. So now we just need to wait for. Oh, sorry. So now we just need to wait for the S&P to fill. Oh, okay, almost there as well. Oh, there's a big drop. Luckily, orders not yet been filled for the bullish movement, and as well for the Dow Jones, there's no bullish signal yet so far. Maybe I will enter because it looks nice now. If suddenly price move back to the higher side, and we can have the buy signal over here, somewhere here, which is a more safer entry, because the price tried to break through to the downside but fail, and then we have a buy signal, then much more easier for our trade later on. But for S&P futures 500, the left charting over here, you can see it's still waiting. If the price go towards this level, then there's a more likely the market will go for the bullish movement. So let's just wait and wait for this one. So nothing to lose just waiting, because we don't have the losses. Okay, very strong. It's quite strong for the current situation. Whether they will go for the bearish? No, I don't think so. Alright, 20 seconds to decide. Maybe later on I have to revise the entry to much lower, 1 point lower at 66.75. So the high of this candle is 66.25, and then 66.75 should be a reasonable, which is 1 point lower, about $50 more profit. Yeah, perhaps. So we just wait for the next maybe 15 minutes. There's a possibility of change direction for the Dow Jones, so which is quite a lot over here. 30 point, 40 point, or 60 point you can easily gain. Or 60 point micro is about $30, one contract size micro. Or 60 point for the mini Dow you can earn for about yeah, 300 US dollar for one time trade. So it was a good one. But for me, my account only allow me to trade the micro, even though we have reached about 2000, but seems good for 100% in 3 weeks. Which is quite really interesting. This is how I grow my account normally, with the proper money management. So a bit, I will left for a cigarettes, and we'll come back later on. So let me. Okay, we will just focus for the chat in the mini S&P futures 500. Oh, not. Maybe I just end this live stream because everything's just been placed. We have a good profit for today, so I just conclude. Okay, I already exit the CQG, so this is the live account details. So we just conclude that everything almost 300 US dollar in profit in my account today by trading scalping 1 minute time frame of the Dow Jones market. And yeah, that's it. I'm done, and I had to stop because the return is around 18%. I meet my target. So the all for crude oil as well, we hit the profit, and the price also quite good at this moment. We don't have to be greedy to wait further later. Maybe can reach about 51 or 53, but for me should be good enough with the 22 ticks profit, or 220 US dollar. So for the for the mini S&P futures 500, we just need to wait for this bullish signal, unless they a short sell signal appeared from this indicator in the next few minutes or 15 minutes or so. So yeah, this is how the play at this moment. Long for the S&P futures 500. And Dow Jones, we will not go enter the market one more time. Nasdaq, we don't focus today. Alright, so there's a lot of link in the description. Feel free to click on it if you're interested for this indicator attached to your trading view. I will provide the free training, free consultation, and free advice for the money management. It's up to you to follow or not, or you just use my signal or my indicator exactly, or you can get my alert signal from the private Telegram channel. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I will end this live stream. So wish you guys luck and have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.